Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and in this video I will talk about the terms that allow publishers to understand how the publisher center is organized and which content type can be submitted. Without wasting more time, let's get started. So guys, the first term I'm gonna talk about is organization. An organization is an entity that hosts your publications. An organization can host one or several publications. Next on the list is publication. Publication is the place where publishers can organize and manage their content by creating publications. Next on the list is feed, which is required to share your content with Google News, and you can create an RSS feed in the content tab of the publisher center. Next is what is web location. It is used to share content from specific parts of your site. You can add a web location in the content tab of publication center. Let's talk about what is content labels. You can add content labels to alert Google News to be a part of your website that needs a specific label applied to it, like satire or opinion. Keep in mind that submitting content labels doesn't guarantee your content will appear in Google News. If you haven't watched my video about how to submit your website in Google News, then I am leaving the link in the description below, or you can click on the I button to watch it now. That's all guys in this video. I hope that you learned something from it. If not, watch it again. Please leave any suggestion or comments if you have any in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.